Hello everyone! Today I'm making salmon head in two ways. There is no reason to skip and throw away a fish head. In many countries in Asia and Western Europe, fish heads and tails are a main part of many fish-based soups. And salmon head is very nutritious. Lots of omega-3 fatty acids, iron, zinc, calcium. The brain contains a large amount of vitamin A. I like to say that salmon head is even more nutritional than the rest of the fish. It has a lot of meat. They are fatty and rich. The bone keeps them super moist and difficult to overcook. Salmon heads are great for grilling or just broiling because they can take high heat. And they take well to sauces and dips. Salmon head carry no tiny bones that you have to watch out for. Eating them is a little like eating a chicken wing, best done with your hands, and totally satisfying. So I will grill salmon heads today, then I will remove the meat off the salmon head, using the bones to make salmon soup with added vegetables and tofu. First step, season salmon heads with a little bit of olive oil, garlic salt, black pepper, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. We'll season both sides and using hand to press down the spices into the meat, and then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. While waiting for salmon heads to be well seasoned, we can utilize the time to prepare vegetables for the soup. The best choice of vegetables to go well with the fish soup, to me, it is always tofu, cabbage, enoki mushroom, and a lot of chopped scallions. And yes, that's all the vegetables we're gonna use today for the fish soup. After 10 minutes, fish head is well seasoned. Warm up cast iron pan first. Drizzle a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Gently place salmon head in the pan. Don't move them around. Let them grill to develop crust on the bottom. Approximately 3 minutes each side. After 3 minutes grilling on other side, cover with the lid, turn off the heat, allow remaining heat from the cast iron pan to cook through the meat. And that's it. After a total of 6 minutes, salmon head is perfectly grilled. The meat becomes exceptionally tender and juicy, bursting with an abundance of flavor. After removing the meat from the bones, place all the bones in the pan. Add 2 cups of boiling water and allow the salmon head bones to simmer over medium heat for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. Salmon head bones are brimming with flavor, especially after grilling. That's why we need to be a little patient here. Let it slowly simmer over medium heat for at least 20 minutes to extracting every bit of flavor from the grilled fish bones. After simmering for 20 minutes, use a skimmer spoon to carefully remove all the fish bones from the pan. After removed all the fish bones, that we have a clean fish broth, we're gonna add tofu and cabbage, then cover the pan with a lid. Let it continue simmer for an additional 8 minutes. Add handful of chopped scallions and little bit of meat from the head bones will enhance the flavor. The quantity of tofu and cabbage is purely based on personal preference. I used about 1 container of tofu, 1 bag of enoki mushroom, and 1/4 of cabbage today. Give a taste of a soup here and to see if you like to add more salt and pepper before we cover with the lid, continuing simmer for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes simmering, turn off the stove, then add enoki mushroom in the pot. Because enoki mushroom only need 1 to 2 minutes to cook through, so we'll let the remaining heat from cast iron pan to do the job. Final touch, garnish with a lot of chopped scallions. This fish soup is a profoundly comforting, health-rich taste, and it's akin to a warm embrace of nutritious goodness enveloping your stomach. And you feel a little extra, make yourself a mixture of soy sauce and chili oil. Dip tofu, cabbage, and enoki mushroom in the dipping sauce to give a little kick. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this recipe and my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy cooking everyone!